Okay, sorry. Hi, my name is Emma Abreu, and this is my presentation on Uranus and Neptune. So this is Uranus with its like pretty like sea green blue colors, and Neptune, which is a really pretty like deep blue. It's like ocean blue. So here's our favorite planets today, and here's Uranus, and here's Neptune, and we can go ahead and count. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. And we have our seventh and our eighth planets. So they're all the way at the back of the solar system, which makes them very, very cold because they're so far away from the sun, and they take like forever to rotate around the Earth. It's just kind of the deal that happens when you are obviously their circle is a lot bigger. So Uranus actually takes 84 Earth years to orbit around the sun, which is crazy. But their day is only 17 hours. So short day, really long year. Okay, and here's their chemical composition. They're actually very similar. Instead of being known as like gas giants or rocky planets, they are known as the ice giants. Again, they're like super, super cold. And because of their like extreme temperatures, they're able to transform these molecules into like liquid hydrogen and helium and that first outer layer. Their inner is that highly compressed liquid water and ammonia. And they do have a rocky core in the center, but it's just so cold there. Neptune is for surely known as a lifeless planet. It's just not going to happen. But they do, funnily enough, they both have rings. So Uranus has 13 known rings, and they can be narrow and dark, or the outer rings that are really brightly colored. So that's super cool. And then Neptune only has 6 rings, and they're very, very faint. So they're not like how Saturn is known for its rings. Okay, so I actually have a lot of interesting facts. These are just the cute little cartoons from the NASA website, and I love them. But I love that Uranus is like a very, very gassy planet. Just has an atmosphere that's just so much like all this hydrogen and helium, and a very small trace amount of methane. So, oh, also it has 27 moons, so that's like so many moons. And then for Neptune, I love that Neptune is like able to be affected by Pluto because of the Pluto's elliptical orbit. Sometimes Pluto's close to the sun and Neptune's farther from the sun. Even though, obviously we know that like Pluto was once like the ninth planet behind it. So that was cool. I thought that was cool. Also, oh, Uranus is sideways, which is super random, but that was cool. And here's my references. So thanks for listening to my presentation.